bought this fluffy slime and I got it at TJ Maxx. So let's go ahead and try it. This is my first time making this, and so I really don't know English, but I'm going to try to do my best. But here are the instructions. These are the things: the glue, the foam. I don't know what it's foam, but I really don't know. And this is the contact solution. This is contact solution. Hopefully it works. And comment down below, subscribe down, and yep. And okay, let's go ahead and So this is the fluffy slime instructions though. So first we're gonna put the whole glue in there. In the bowl. This is the slime bowl. Come out. Okay, let's stop that over here. So first you're gonna mix. And then put the foam. Yep. Oops. Okay. I'm just gonna keep putting more because it looks like a little bit. Okay, let's just put the whole thing. That's a funny sound, guys. Down. Instructions first. Keep mixing. Okay. I'm so excited. The first time I made the two Pikmi Pops slime. I made two videos of Pikmi Pops, and I don't know if y'all have seen it. And yep, and this is my third slime. My third video. Okay, so I'm gonna stop mixing. Stop. Oops. Now let's put the contact solution. Just let's put how many drops? Okay. Oops. Let's get it out. Here it comes out. really crispy. Looks like it's gonna. We need to add a little bit more. I just had a little bit more because like it wasn't really looking. Okay, I think we tried to do a little one. Just checking because it seems like it's cool, but already. I haven't made the slime, but oh my god, it's really, really fluffy. It's 100% fluffy. Oops. First time making slime, I don't know if it's gonna really come out, but I need to put the whole